Hey people, so it's the weekend again, and weekends are always, I have this tiny little brat wanting to be in the video with me, and so recording gets quite tough. But really, people, so right now I want to review this book by Gurudev. It's called On the Plateau of the Peak. So, this particular book, The Life of Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, from its this book has been written from the by his sister, so it's as authentic as it can get because it's we are given snippets from his childhood. And so that's what, no, it's, I'm on a mission. Like, I woke up at 5:30 in the morning and had my bath and all, and I'm like, I want to record this video, and I have this tiny brat with me. But really, people, so that is one book you need to read.
I don't,
So on that note, thanks for watching.
don't listen to